Hello everyone again, and as you can see on my table is same impact driver that I have repaired the bit holder, and it's working, everything is good. But now the tip for the power tool resellers, and as you can see it's a dirty, and many of people they are searching for the nice clean used tools, and yeah, better is working not very good but clean, and because it sells better. So for this one we can remove the bit, and this is your way to financial freedom. You can sell it. Of course we have the rods here. Basically I'm cleaning rust like this with a brush. And as you can see, it looks a little bit better. Now of course you can use the VD. After VD we need to clean everything, and you can see that it looks a lot better. Now we can try to use the same trick with the VD for the housing. It's a dirty housing, and you can try it. And I don't know if you can see the difference on here and here. We have a small difference when the tool is cleaned with a VD. So of course we can spray it and brush it. For this one I'm using the soft brush. We are just cleaning it with a paper towel. I will zoom it out there. So now, as you can see, it looks nicer and cleaner, and of course that's important when you are selling the tool. Okay, now I hope it is worth what, 50 euros. And now we have some liquid from the video or something. So for this one I'm usually using the dashboard cleaner. We can check the dash and tech screen cleaner. It will be pretty the same, I think. I have other type of brush here. now we will try to dry it up. Okay, now it looks a little bit better here, and we can see the dirt or glue or something here on the front and here on the rubber, so we can try to use the label sticker remover. Okay, this one not going easily. We can scrub it and try to clean it again. And it looks better. Of course, we can do all that with the all rubber. Here was the brushless sticker, and probably this tool was in a service and the sticker was taken out. Normally I'm cutting it here on the housing connection. Okay, now of course we can try the sticker remover here, and we can try to spray it a little bit and brush it with a wire brush, and then clean it to check. No, really nothing good happening, so this is like it is. And basically I can check how much I paid for this one on eBay. And for this one I have paid for the total 26 GBP, so it's 30 euros, and I will get 50 for this one, so it will be the 20 for the profit. And I think it's not bad for small tool like this one, and impact driver just goes out fast in a Facebook marketplace or eBay, so it will not be a long time in my garage to sell it. So for now, that was the easy tip how to clean the tool before reselling it. If you want more tips for the power tool resellers, just let me know, and we will go deeper in the tools, in the cleaning, replacing the parts, finding the cheaper parts, and so on. For now, thank you for watching, and bye.